Hey you guys, so I just popped off of work, so forgive my appearance, but I wanted to come on and share some of the items that finally came in. Again, this is not everything, but I'm just tired of waiting, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make a part 2 of the few items that is here, and then maybe on my Instagram stories or something like that, I'll pop in a story or something of the rest of the items that trickle in the next week or so. All right, so let's go ahead and start out with, I'm so excited. I don't know why when I was overseas I didn't purchase these items, this shoe, because I've been wanting these shoes for some time now, but like I said, I don't know why I never purchased them. But I got my first of Valentino shoes, and so this is not gonna be my last. I just love this beautiful red box. Again, this is a Valentino's, and this is my first time, so I didn't know. I never you know, tried them on or anything like that. So it comes in a little paper like this. It comes with a beautiful dust bag, and I guess these are little studs. I need some of these cuties. I've already wore them like twice already, so I just had to wear them over the weekend. They came in on like Friday, and I was wearing them on Saturday and Sunday. I just love them. Now I will say, don't put because they are jelly plastic, don't put lotion or anything on the bottom of your feet, because you will be sliding. So I definitely learned my lesson, and they still pretty slippery from when I wore them. But look at the pretty studs. I'm sure these are so overrated and everybody and their mama has them, but I just understand why. So cute, so cute. I will be ordering more Valentinos. So this starts out, I did go up a size. I'm glad I did, because reading like reviews and things like that, people said they run a bit small. And keep in mind, these are European shoes, so their cut and things like that are different. So usually in my Louis Vuittons, I have to go half a size down, but in these right here I have to go a size up. So I'm usually at 39, but I went up with a 40 and they fit perfect. So here goes these Valentino slides right there. And I think originally I wanted to order them off of Saks, but I ended up getting them off of Nordstrom. All right, there you go. Super cute, very neutral. Okay, my next items came in this little brown box here. This came from off of the PX website, because I discovered that they sell Bond number 9. I purchased this off of there. This is a Bond 9. It is the scent of peace. I don't love it. I don't know, I'm just not, let me put this box down. I'm not loving this scent at all. The color is cute, but it's just not my jam. I heard so many people rave about it, like this was a blonde purchase. Like I don't have a boutique or a high-end. That's one thing that's really frustrating, that I don't live by a high-end store. So I usually have to go by what's online, what other people rave about. So yeah, and unfortunately, this one is not my jam. This one is not. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't know. Maybe I just have to give it another go, but I smell like lemon or something like that. I guess now that I'm re-smelling it, maybe I had something else on when I tried this, when it came in it came in Saturday. Today is Monday, so yeah, when I first pulled it out, I was like, oh my god, I was so excited. Then I sprayed it, I was disappointed, but now that I'm re-spraying it, it's not terrible. So maybe I'll give it a few more tries. I'll try it after I take a shower, so I'll make sure I have no other perfumes on that I've sprayed throughout the day, and so I'll give it a try and see if will work with my body chemistry. But my first go round, did not like it. But anyways, this one is Bond 9, and it's called Scent of Peace. Yeah, and if you guys are familiar, Bond 9s are pretty expensive, like $200+ all right. Okay, moving along. I told you I was gonna get some more Joe Malone, because this was my very first one that came from Saks, and so now I wanted to, instead of getting another large bottle, I wanted to go ahead and get a sampler. So again, I was able to order. It came with a little ribbon on the box. like this. Something like that. So this is how it came packaged, like that. Really cute. I just love the way Joe Malone has their presentations and stuff. And so this is the little box. It comes with a little card that says Joe Malone. And then it says 5 of our most beloved colognes. And then it's other languages and all of that. So yeah. So here goes the 5 cents. Let's go right here. This one is wood, sage, and sea salt. This is wild blueberry. This is blackberry and bay. This is English pear and frisca. This one is lemon, basil, and mandarin. My favorite, lemon, basil, and mandarin. And then I like the wood sage as well. So I kind of like been mixing and matching. I do notice that they do not last long at all. So that is, I did hear that a long time ago when I was like, oh, I want to try Joe Malone. And they said that the scent does not last long, and that is true. I definitely do not smell it after a few hours, which is unfortunate, but it's okay. So I was able to score a nice set of 5 of Joe Malone. All right, I think I'm off the Joe Malone kick. I'm gonna move on to Byredo. Was another name that I see people raving about, and they come out of Sweden, and it's yikes, I forgot the other brand that I want to try now. But Byredo is my next one. So link, if you guys use Byredo, let me know. I hear Gypsy Water is a good one, and it's like 2 other ones that is like a must have. So they're gonna be on my radar for my next purchase. All right, I think that's it. It was short and sweet. Oh, this candle right here. This one came off Amazon. This is the candle that I've been using, the laundry soap. This is their candle off of it. It's a Tyler candle company, and it's called Bougie Parfum. That's the name of the candle right here. And it's a nice candle. It was like $22 off of Amazon, but this is how it looks, and it smells almost just like that laundry detergent that I've been telling you about, the Diva wash the Diva. And this one was the same, supposed to be their candle version of it. I'm not sure now that I look at the names. I'm not sure how to ended up with this candle, but I went on and ordered, they sold this detergent, and I got this candle off of the same site, or the same, you know, Amazon or whatever. So this one is called Tyler, and it's the candle company that says Bougie Perfume, experience the difference. And I like it. When I first smelled it, the first couple days that it was burning, like I smelled it a lot. Now that it's going down, I don't smell it as much. But I do have another candle burning, so maybe the fragrance is competing. Oh, I'm out of breath. I think that's it. My roses, they're slowly dying off, my little celebration roses. I think that's all. I've already shared with you what I got from Bath & Body Works yesterday. And I think that's it. I've been getting other stuff, but I don't just feel like going through all that stuff and see it. But it's like stuff off of Amazon that I've been getting in a ton of, and things like that. But the high-end luxury was right here. So that's what I got so far. My Valentino shoes, the Bond, the Joe Malone sampler, this candle. And then there was a few other trinkets that came in from Amazon that I didn't even bother pulling out. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet video, because I just wanted to get it out and be done with it. Like I said, I do have other stuff coming in, but at this point, I'll just put it on my Instagram stories. Love you, love you, love you for watching. Thank you so much. Until the next time, peace.